the capital of Cabo Verde on the island of Santiago. Praia means beach, but despite its name, this is not just a holiday destination. This is the economic, political, and cultural center of the country. On this trip, I got really lucky. I have this amazing guide called Alex from Praia Tour.
It's crazy. We are in Cabo Verde. Like 7 groups, and everybody write a history. And then she took a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and she made her own history.
Outside of Praia, you can do day trips all around the island.
A long period of time, they have lived, like I told you, exile from everything. Right? Imagine now you could live exile from everything. On vit dans une petite bulle. Que la vie elle est plus grande qu'on le pense. Donc avant d'avoir un gros nez pour dire que il n'y a que moi qui compte, non.
Which you can use to swing on like Tarzan. We can actually do a demonstration, but not with me. You can visit Cidade Velha, or Old City. This was the first European colonial settlement in the tropics, and some of the original design of the site is still intact, including a royal fortress, 2 churches, and a 16th century town square. Today, Cidade Velha is a center for Creole culture. When the Portuguese discovered Cabo Verde, it was uninhabited, but they started to use Cidade Velha as the port city for slave trade. Cabo Verdeans are a mixture of people from all over Africa and from Europe. and Cabo Verde is actually the oldest Creole nation in the world.
So you put your shirt, let me show you.
One of Africa's most famous anti-colonialist fighters was Amilcar Cabral. So we're here at the house where Amilcar Cabral grew up, and there are still members of his family living here, and you can actually meet them.
This is his house.
Wow.
He made this house.
Obrigada. Thanks for joining me in Santiago. Hope you enjoyed the trip. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to have more information about all of the sites that we saw, you can check out my blog gettingclose2.com, where I have a convenient list for you, and you'll be able to check that out. So, see you on the blog, see you on the next video, and see you